जीते हैं तेरे लिए और मरते हैं नाम पे जाना समझो ना दिल कहता है तेरी गलियों में ही रहता है जाना समझो ना दिल कहता है तेरी बाहों में जीना है मरना है इश्क में तेरे ओ मेरे साजना वे डोला मेरे ओ
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। अच्छा, अगर आप लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया प्लीज़ कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए।
तो हमारा सफ़र शुरू हुआ था मिंटो मार्केट से, जहाँ पर रमदान स्पेशल नाइट मार्केट लगी थी, which was just for like I think 2 or 3 days, and it was a very nice vibe. Everything was great, but unfortunately वहाँ पे इतने options नहीं थे. It was just like couple of options, और बहुत रश थी, मतलब उस जगह के हिसाब से स्पेशली.
That's right guys, it was very limited options and too many people और बहुत ज़्यादा इंतज़ार करना पड़ा। तो यहाँ पे जो options हमें नज़र आ रहे थे, this was beef patties that we saw they're being cooked. I think
They
they
were
were
called
burgers.
Arabian buns, I think, yeah.
Arabian buns, right. So we walked past that first. After that we saw this interesting stall.
That's right. और यहाँ पर भी there was like I think Arabic cuisine. और one thing that we noticed about Minto Market was यहाँ पे काफ़ी चीज़ें जो थी ना वो Arabic थी, और मतलब और या Arabic थी या दुबई से related थी. So there was like couple of like Dubai viral things as well, जो कि हम लोग आप लोग को दिखाएंगे. But again यहाँ पे एक दो stalls थे इस तरफ, and there was this one was like I think Dubai viral one. और यहाँ पे ये लोग ऑरेंज पैशन बेच रहे थे, एंड दिस वाज लाइक द चॉकलेट डिप स्ट्रॉबेरीज एंड फ्रूट, और दिस वाज लाइक द दुबई वायरल दुबई चिकन रैप. और यहाँ पर भी बहुत ज़्यादा रश थी, लिटरली बहुत ज़्यादा लोग थे. As much as we wanted to try it, it was just so many people there.
Michael, hey brother. Good. You're the reason why we came to to Minto.
Good job.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, it's awesome.
Made the trick.
Yeah, that's it, bro. What do you want to order, guys?
So guys, we met the famous influencer whose name is Mahmoud, and just a bit about him. He's the owner of Spothole. He has more than 100,000 followers on Instagram, and guys, he mostly makes food videos. He gives food reviews, visits different restaurants, and I actually enjoy watching his videos. He makes very good videos related to food. So the name Spothole, where that came from was he pretty much helped in fixing potholes across Sydney. So because of that he became popular, and his food businesses are known as holes at the end of the name. So that's one of the reasons. So as we started exploring more of the night market, it was actually a very good vibe guys, and we actually did order the spot hole. And guys, one thing about it was a bit pricey, and we had more expectations about it and we were a bit disappointed.
That's right. और पर्सनली हमें बीफ और चिकन में से चिकन थोड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा था, बट ओवरऑल हमें ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा ड्राई और बहुत सिंपल लगा. लाइक इट वाज वेरी प्लेन, और हमारा एक्सपीरियंस मिंटो का उतना अच्छा नहीं था. दैट्स व्हाई वी डिसाइडेड टू गो टू लकम्बा नाइट मार्केट्स, बिकॉज वी वर आउट विद आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड वी रियली वांटेड टू एंजॉय. और वहाँ पे बारिश हो रही थी, और यहाँ पे वाइब कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट थी. लाइक आई नो यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा स्टॉल्स थे और रश भी था, but at the same time, like if you wanted to try something and all that, you probably just had to wait for like maybe 5 or 10 minutes, whereas Minto was completely different because we had to wait for 25 minutes just to get that spot.
That's right guys, it was more spread out evenly across different stalls, and there was way more stalls, so way better to enjoy yourself in Ramadan night markets.
So this time we started off very strong, and we started with camel burgers. और guys, मेरा ये पहला experience था. My husband already tried it and he really actually liked it. But मेरा पहला experience था. I will say it's a little bit chewy compared to the beef ones, but it literally tastes the same.
Yeah, you can't really taste the difference too much. It's very similar to having a beef burger. And uske baad we had chips on a stick. And how'd you like that?
I really liked it because जब तक आप कैमल बर्गर ले रहे थे, मैं पीछे से जाके chips on the stick ले आई थी. Like our friends basically got it for us, so I was like, grab that, and we actually really enjoyed both of them. The combination was pretty nice because it was basically like having chips and burger together. Or the burger was very saucy, very nice. We would definitely rate it. And like rated high, and we would really recommend everyone to try it.
100%. And guys, as we showed you this last time, we decided to order the Asian skewers again from Skewies. And look, this time I felt it wasn't as nice as the first time. It was a little bit off, don't you think?
I agree. Unfortunately, हम लोगों ने अपने दोस्तों के सामने उसको काफ़ी hype किया हुआ था because we loved it last time, and when they had it, they were also disappointed. But we had to end it on a good note, so we got these chocolate dipped strawberries, and they, of course, obviously, they tasted amazing, and they were super nice to have and very light as well. Although the Dubai Wild one was a little bit pricey. When we were on our way back, we saw this beautiful mosque, और यहाँ पे भी कुछ stalls थे, लेकिन unfortunately हम नहीं जा सके.
अच्छा, और मजे की बात ये है, while we were in Lakemba, my mom, she was enjoying this yummy, delicious, cheesy beef burger from YG Burgers, and we were so jealous from her.
That's right. She was enjoying it with her brothers and sisters. जैसे कि हम लोगों ने आपको बताया था कि पाकिस्तान से वो लोग आए हैं, और रमज़ान की वजह से अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम सब लोग कहीं बाहर नहीं जा सकते बिकॉज़ यहाँ पर काफ़ी गर्मी पड़ती है. But this was our chance to like show them around, and they actually really enjoyed it. And they also ended with a dessert. They had this like amazing fluda from this like new place which opened up in Oban.
That's right.
I think in Granville.
In Granville, yeah.
My
It's next to
bad.
YG Burger House or near it. So dessert looks great, guys. We have to try it, and they actually liked it too.
That's right. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने थोड़ी सी ईद की तैयारी की. We made these lolly bags for the kids, और हमने थोड़ी सी लाइटें भी लगा ली, और उसके साथ ही साथ हम लोगों ने ईद मुबारक वाला साइन भी लगा लिया. तो हम लोगों ने बेसिकली अपनी सारी तैयारी पूरी की थी because we had a very grand दावत like every year. उससे पहले मेरे जो प्यार से भाई हैं, he came from Melbourne, and for that we had to obviously उनका एहतमाम करना था. So we made dahi balle, we made fruit chaat, we also made some samosa and a little bit of patties, spring rolls, kebab karahi, tandoori chicken, and of course the kabli pulao. You guys already saw it. So we had the same things on the other side, and they were so happy to come here. वो especially Eid के लिए आए थे, and they really enjoyed it. My brother actually sent me a long message after he went back that he really enjoyed Eid and he was so happy to be here.
Yeah, guys. हमारा रमज़ान वैसे ही अच्छा गुजर रहा था because of our family from Pakistan, but because of the brother-in-law, it was even more special for us.
हमारी बेसिकली चांद रात थी, तो हम लोगों ने थोड़ी सी चांद रात की भी तैयारी की थी. वी पुट मेहंदी, और इस दफ़ा हम लोगों ने थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट ये भी किया था कि हम लोगों ने ज़मीन पे बैठ के खाया था, जो कि हम बिल्कुल भी नहीं खाते. बट इस दफ़ा वी वर जस्ट लाइक फॉर दैट होल वाइब, इट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम लोग ज़मीन पे बैठे. और उसके बाद फाइनली अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारी ईद हो गई थी.
Yes, guys, we went to Mazen Park Masjid, and one good thing about the masjid there is the volunteers. They do a great job at organizing everything, make sure that parking is not an issue and things like that. But काफ़ी रौनक लगी हुई थी, especially नमाज के बाद हर बंदा ईद मिल रहा था और अच्छी वाइब्स मिल रही थी.
That's right. और पीछे से बैकग्राउंड में घर में पाए पक रहे थे, और सब लोगों ने पाए का नाश्ता किया था. नाश्ते के बाद हमारे मेहमान आना शुरू हो गए थे, और हम लोग बहुत खुश थे टू होस्ट एवरीवन. और अल्लाह ताला हमें हर साल इस चीज़ का मौका देते हैं कि हम लोगों को होस्ट करें. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह दैट वी हैड अराउंड 45 people at our house. So coming to the delicious menu, we had pulao, we had korma, we had this dahi puri, and we also had salad, kofte, and roti, chutney, everything, and everything was amazing. As you guys can see, यहाँ पर सब लोग बैठ के आपस में जो बातें करते हैं, that's actually the Eid vibe. और obviously पाकिस्तान में तो सब लोग वैसे ही मिलते रहते हैं, यहाँ पर स्पेशली जब हम ओवरसीज़ रहते हैं तो इस तरह मिलना सबसे बहुत खुशी होती है. यहाँ पे हम आप लोग को जूते दिखा रहे थे because we were showing you how many people actually came.
MashaAllah. And guys, these were the desserts we had. Gulab jamun the, इसमें मज़े का fruit cake था, which was brought by our friend, and there were some Lebanese sweets, biscuits, and besides that, there were other treats as well, biscuits and cookies, and there was cake, and
And of course, we also had sheer khorma because Eid jo hoti hai wo.
अधूरी होती है शीर खुरमा के बाद.
Exactly. And this was actually like a very good looking cake that was given to us by our friends.
Shout out to them.
Shout out to them. It actually looked great.
Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah, today has come to an end. Today was our Eid, as you know, and we had so much fun, such a blessed day, and even the people who came over and visited, they also enjoyed themselves so much. Alhamdulillah. And guys, just have a look at these gifts that we received and these treats also. We received some nice gifts for the baby, for the little one. We received gifts for them. And guys, have a look at this. These are bangles and some other jewelry. Looks nice, doesn't it?
It does. And along with that, we have this mithai and we have a couple of chocolates here. And we also have this desi mithai, which was given by our friends and our family friends, everyone.
Yeah, guys, and it has burfi and gulab jamun, different kind of gulab jamuns, so that's also nice. And guys, I would like to highlight this. This was given by my brother-in-law. It was for my mom, and it was so nice, guys. It actually has the name engraved at the bottom as well, so very nice. There's flowers. Always nice to receive flowers. There's more sweets. This is actually a toy for the little one again. He's actually been so spoiled today. And gulab jamuns. While I'm showing the gulab jamuns, I would like to promote my friend's convenience store, which is a Yusa store. Do check out their gulab jamuns, guys. Best in Sydney, I would say. And one of our very nice family friends, they were kind enough to bring these sweets.
And they look very nice, and overall it was a great experience. It was very fun to have everyone else over, and inshallah we'll share more gifts with you guys whenever we receive them.
Yes, and guys, don't forget this. I forgot to. So these are biscuits.
So they're like Arabic biscuits, and they're different flavors and very unique flavors, I must say.
Yeah, guys. So thank you so much for the guys that visited us today and gave us gifts. Very kind of every single person.
Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. So guys, once again, Eid Mubarak from our family to yours.